Hello, welcome back. A little bit different today. I'm going out to do a job today. It's a shoot. Well, hopefully, it will be a nice little easy job. It's a Scania T cab. They've had a memorial put on the back, and we need to go and clear coat over it just to protect it. So those of you that are into your lorries and T-cabs in particular, you'll know what it is, and you'll probably, if you're into your lorries, you'd have seen it around anyway. I think it's been at all the shows for the last 12 months, 18 months ish. It's been to Scania and Truck Fest in Scotland and down south, been all over the place. So yeah, we're just on the way there now. I've probably got about 10 minutes left, and then I'll switch you back on when we get there and have a look around and see what we've got to do. If you like these sort of videos, give us a like and subscribe. Chuck us a comment in, see what you think. Don't normally show these types of videos, but well, I've got my camera with me, so I thought I may as well. Right, I'll see you when we get there. Hi, right, just butting in. I am editing this video, and I forgot to mention about it's not a T cab, it's a R series, and I forgot to mention about Lewis. So he was absolutely truck mad, loved trucks, did drive them, lost his license through a bit of ill health, I believe, and I did actually meet him. I didn't put two and two together until afterwards, but he used to drive a little bit for a friend of mine, not HGVs, but used to help out this company, Holridge, and do a bit for them. But he always wanted, once he got his license back, to have the Flying Scotsman on the back of his lorry, so they've done this in tribute to him. And he unfortunately died at 26, so hence the hashtag Forever 26. So hopefully that clears everything up. Enjoy the video. As you can see, we're at Holridge Transport. This one, he's had a memorial done on the back of his truck there, which I'll show you. Naturally, I'm built like a gazelle, so I just flew up there. So basically, somebody else is coming. I haven't got the information, annoyingly, otherwise I'll try and share. If I do find out who it was, I will let you know, because he's done a fantastic job. So he's painted it, I've got to clear coat it. So they worked about 15 hours it took to paint that. Did it all in one day. So the guys that are here are giving me a number of the sheet, because it's massive and all over the place. So as you can see, it's all sheeted off. So now we've just got to cover these A-frame. And basically we're going to wedge loads of paper in there. They're going to try and clean it up afterwards, because of the nature of what we're painting. It's difficult to mask it properly, so there may be a little bit that seeps through here and there, but they're going to clean that up when they demask everything tomorrow. Yeah, so as it's a bit different for the channel, I just thought I'd show you. This is something else that we do. We'll have a look again. I will explain a bit more about it and who Lewis was in a minute. We'll finish off masking and then we'll get back with you.
fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
I'm just thinking this is probably going to be a short video really, because we had people here to start with give me an hand with it, and then kind of got that bit done really quick, so it might be a short video, but I'll just show you now it's all painted. It's really made it pop. Now it's all clear coated. So you see it's got lovely gloss to it. Hashtag Forever 26 for Lewis. I don't know if you can see the detail, but yeah, so definitely different for me anyway. So normally we do lorry paintwork, but normally it's be bumper corners or bumpers or something like that, and then the odd full paint that we've done from time to time. We don't normally clear coat over other people's work, but the guy that's done the airbrushing, he doesn't clear coat, so albeit he's done a fantastic job. And then he's basically did a 15-hour shift. If I haven't said already, if I have, I apologise. 15-hour shift it took to paint that. Reckons he could do another 15 hours with more detail if he wanted to. And then we've clear coated over it to protect it now, so the lorry will go back out now, and yeah, and start earning a few quid again. But it does look really nice. I'll just show you again. I know I've showed you already. But if you appreciate the artist in it, it's fantastic really. Right, I'll get down and get sorted out. So I was just going to have a look, see if it's oh, it is yeah. So it's an r730. Don't want to stand on that. Yeah, r730. Definitely a smart bit of kit. We've got quite a bit to do on this in coming videos later on, over Christmas and stuff like that. We've got a few little touch-ups and stuff like that to do. There's a couple of little blow-ins, a couple of bumpers. I can't remember what else there was now. I think there's another Jeep for Holridge Tom. You'll see that on Tom's video as well. Yeah, so if you like these sort of videos, if you give us a thumbs up if you can, and a like, share, subscribe, whatever it is. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.